Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front clip. It is wrapped in PPF, so the full fender, full hood, and full front bumper. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. I do see a little rock chip on the spoke here. There might be a couple more. That fender looks good. You got PPF here on the side mirror. You do have a couple scuffs up this pillar. They do not catch your nail, they're just there on the surface. Got a couple tiny scuffs there. You have PPF on this section and that lower rocker. Quarter panel looks good. This wheel has a little bit of rash right there. The rest of the wheel looks good. Then looking at the front end, then here on the lower side, you do have some rash here. Looks like it's been touched up. And you just kind of have a little more rash throughout that lower splitter. Looking at the headlights, they're super clear. They look amazing. So it has the PPF on it. It's really hard to tell if there are any pre-existing rock chips, but nothing's really standing out. I mean, that thing looks so good. Very clean. Then looking at the back left quarter panel, looks good. You have a couple imperfections on that spoke there. A little scuff here. You can see the caliper looks awesome, bright red. Rotors are nice and clean. That door looks good. You're gonna have a couple scuffs around this door handle area and just a few scuffs from just like your everyday washing. Got PPF on this side mirror. Got a little bit of rash there. A couple spots here. Otherwise that wheel looks good. And I'm not seeing any dents, gashes, or any damage. This side looks phenomenal. That paint is really pretty. Looking at the back here, got a couple scuffs on the taillight. I don't see any cracks or any damage. The exhaust tips look good. This light looks perfect. This engine bay is really clean. And so is the underside of the hood. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. This upper panel looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs here on the lower section. All those buttons look good. This kick plate area is clean. These seats look awesome. Right here on the edge of the piping, might be hard to see, there's a couple scuffs. Besides that though, this thing looks brand new. Nice matte finish to it, it's not shiny. Same with the steering wheel, has that nice matte look to it. Dash looks good. That screen up there pops up and you can see your navigation and all that. Very, very clean in here. Looking at this door panel, looks awesome. Got a tiny scuff on the kick plate. This leather looks good. I don't see any imperfections back here. Then you have all of your controls and they are heated. Then looking at this door panel, all the leather looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. This kick plate area looks perfect. These seats look amazing. Very, very clean, have that nice matte finish to them. And looking at the gloss black here, looks really good. Now you're gonna have a couple little everyday scuffs, but it's all really minor. You can see the upper side of this dash looks amazing. This door panel looks good. Kick plate area looks amazing. Now you do have the screens here on the seat backs. These things look really good. This seat itself looks perfect as well. Got the really big console.